Leap motion. Let's see what's inside. Oh, crap. Right, kinda broke something. Right, let's see what's inside. Oh, welcome to a whole new world. To activate Leap Motion controller, go to leapmotion.com/setup. Right, so this is controller. All right, okay. Well, let's see what's inside. Look, wow, look, so tiny. Only a size of a finger. Let's see, activate leapmotion.com/setup. Next one's look, it's the cable. Surprisingly, there's two of them. See? Okay, let's get inside. And this is a guidebook, I think. Yeah, information guide. Well, too long, didn't read. And the rest of the box is empty. Right, so that's it. I'm going to test it, maybe post some videos on it about this. Peace.